Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about the topic indentation in Python. So what is indentation or what are indents in Python? So indents are nothing but just white spaces or tabs that is used to define the body of a function or body of a block in our program. Okay. So here I am writing hash indents. Okay, so remember it, whenever we use hash before any line, before writing anything in Python, then that line will be ignored at the runtime and will not be executed. So hash indents becomes a comment. Okay, so you can see I have written x is equal to 5 and I am printing the value of x. Now let us check the condition if x is greater than 0. Okay, so as you know, if is a block and it has a body. So what we do to define the body of if? How we give it a body? Like in C, C++, Java, we do it by giving a curly bracket. But here in Python, we will just give a tab or a space in the next line to define the body of if block. Okay, so you can see after tab I am writing print true. Okay, so that means if x is greater than 0, then it will print true. And now I am defining the else block. You have to remember, whenever your body part will be completed, you have to go back in the parallel of if. Okay, you can see in else block I have again taken one tab and written print false. So let us save this file and look at the output. Just run it. Yes, you can see it is printing 5 and true. So you can understand what is indentation in Python. Okay, so this is the role of indents in Python. So now one more example. Let us take a function. Its name is myfun and def is used to define a function in Python. So you know function also has a body. So after def myfun, after this line, I have again taken one tab, or you can take a space to give the body of myfun function. Okay, and inside the body I have written print x hello user. Now my function part is completed. So now I'm going to run this program. You can see the output is nothing because we didn't make a call to function. Okay, that is the reason. Yes, you can see if in case we don't give this tab or a space, then what will happen with function? Yes, I removed the tab. Now see the output. You can see it gave an error, expected an indent block. That means it is saying that it was expecting the body of function by having an indent. That means a space or a tab, but it didn't get it. So this is the role of indentation in Python. Okay, even if we give a single space, then it will not generate error, as you can see the output, but it is still blank because I didn't make a call to function yet. Now just call the function after the function body, sorry, outside the function body. Yes, and you can see the output 5 hello user. So this is the concept of indentation in Python, and this is very important part of Python. So guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.